Meaning of Durham City.
Durham City.
Durham City.
Durham City.
Durham City. Durham City refers to the historic core of the city of Durham, located in northeast England. It is famous for its beautiful cathedral, which has been designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The city's history dates back to the 11th century when a settlement was established at the site of the cathedral. Durham University, one of the oldest and most prestigious universities in the UK, is also located within the city. Today, Durham City is a popular tourist destination, offering visitors a glimpse into England's rich history and culture.